Hello dear students, in last lecture exercise 2.2 is completed. Now next textbook page number 94 section A is completed. B complete. Okay, section B. Section A MCQ number 8. For which value of x the value of p of x of binomial distribution with parameters n is equal to 4 and p is equal to 1/2 becomes maximum. तो मैंने आपको बोला था कि यदि आपको पास्कल ट्रायंगल बताओ तो 1 4 6 4 1 यानी कि 0 1 2 3 4 हाईएस्ट वैल्यू कहाँ पे 6 और उसका पावर नंबर ऑफ n कहाँ पे है 2। ऑप्शन देखो 0 2 3 4 यदि आप इक्वेशन बना के उसमें वैल्यू राइट करेंगे तो x is equal to 2 find the maximum value। सपोज n 5 दिया होता तो 1 5 10 10 5 1 0 1 2 3 4 and 5। अब हाईएस्ट वैल्यू कहाँ पे 2 प्लेसेस पे 2 and 3। तो आपको ऑप्शन में से 2 और 3 दोनों में से एक ही दिया होगा, दोनों दिए होंगे नहीं। ओके ध्यान रखना। यानी यदि पास्कल ट्रायंगल पता हो तो आप इजीली आंसर राइट कर सकते हो। तो यहाँ पे क्या था हाईएस्ट वैल्यू 6 और अपोजिट एंड जो आपके कोएफिशिएंट है उसमें 2 इज द मैक्सिमम, क्योंकि 2 के सामने मैक्सिमम है। तो फिर आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा राइट द इक्वेशन पुटिंग वन बाय वन ऑल फोर वैल्यू। तो आंसर बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट द बायनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है मीन इज 5 मीन NP is given 5 and the variance 10/7 10/7 what will be the type of this distribution? Which type of distribution? Positive, negative or symmetric? क्या करेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल find the Q is equal to variance upon mean 10/7/5 10/7 into 5 value of Q 10/35। जिसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म राइट करना तो 5 to the 10 and 7 5 the 35। 2/7 value of P 1 minus Q P okay 5/7 P greater than 1/2 or P less than 1/2? Greater than, so which type of negative? So option B is the correct answer, negative series। And last, which of the following is the formula of probability of an event of not getting a success in a binomial distribution? Underline not getting a success, not getting a success in the binomial distribution with parameters n and p। Okay, success is not getting, so option A B C D check it। not getting, so x is equal to 0 check। तो आंसर क्या है बी। तो एक ऑप्शन आया बी x is equal to taking 0। तो देखो फर्स्ट में n से 0 डन, p raised to n n is not possible। सेकंड n से 0 डन, p raised to 0 and q raised to n minus 0 यानी कि सपोज n 10 हो तो 10 minus 0 आंसर 10 as it is। तो n ये एक पॉसिबल है ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट n से 0 p raised to रेस्ट इज नॉट गिवन, इसका मतलब क्या रेस्ट हुई पी की 1 रेस्ट, हमारे तो एक्स क्या है 0, नॉट पॉसिबल। एंड लास्ट NC 0 P रेस्ट टू n, यहाँ पे भी P रेस्ट टू n गिवन, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नॉट गेटिंग सक्सेस मीन टेकिंग x इज इक्वल टू 0, ऑप्शन बी। ओके नेक्स्ट सेक्शन बी। डिफाइन डिस्क्राइब एंड कंटिन्यू तो दोनों आगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 4 5 सिलेबस में नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 4 5। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। Mean of symmetrical binomial distribution is 7. Underline symmetrical binomial distribution. So value of P and Q 1/2 both are equal, symmetrical. P is 1/2, Q was 1/2. Mean NP is given 7. Find the value of its parameter n and find out. NP is 7. Value of P 1/2. So opposite side inverse 2/1. So number of Bernoulli trials parameters n is equal to 14. Write down n is equal to 14. The next question number 7. The parameters of a binomial distribution are 10 and 2.5. The parameters, the first value always given is n, the second value p. So parameters n is equal to 10 and p is equal to 2/5 0.4. Calculate its variance. So variance के लिए first of all find out value of q 1 minus p 1 minus 2/5 5 minus 2/5. Answer is 3/5 value of q. In the decimal में answer right here 0.6. Variance find out. Variance is equal to NPQ. Value of n, value of p into value of q. So multiplication 10 into 2 into 3 60 upon 5 into 5 12 upon 5. 12 5 is 60, 5 5 is 25. 12 upon 5 decimal answer right now the right answer 2.4. next number 8. State the relation between the probability of success and failure in Bernoulli trials. Okay, क्या relation है success and failure? Relation between success and failure. क्या बेटा? Mutual exclusive. Relation में होगी. So mutual exclusive and exhaustive. Okay. P plus Q is equal to 1. रिलेशन क्या है? तो ऑलवेज दोनों का एडिशन क्या होगा? 1. तो राइट डाउन P plus Q is equal to 1. नंबर 8. The relation between the probability of success and failure is P plus Q is equal to always 1. Which type of event? P and Q, success and failure, mutually exclusive. सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. तो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा? स्टेट द रिलेशन बिटवीन मीन एंड वेरिएंस ऑफ बायनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. क्या रिलेशन है मीन और वेरिएंस में? मीन इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन वेरिएंस. इट मींस अब इस तरह से भी राइट कर सकते हो एनपी ग्रेटर देन ऑल इक्वल टू एनपीक्यू. सिंबॉलिकली राइट कर सकते हो मीन इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन वेरिएंस, और अनदर वर्ड्स एनपी ग्रेटर देन ऑल इक्वल टू एनपीक्यू. राइट डाउन द रिलेशन बिटवीन mean and variance of binomial distribution is np greater than or equal to npq. It means mean always greater than variance. It means mean always greater than variance. Next question number 10. The probability of failure in a binomial distribution is 0.6. Failure 0.6. Value of Q is given 0.6. And the number of trial in it is 5. Number of trial n is given 5. Find the probability of success. क्या होगी सक्सेस की प्रोबेबिलिटी? P is equal to 1 minus Q. 1 minus 0.6. Answer 0.4. Write down question number 10. The next section C. Question number 1, 2 and 3 of the syllabus में नहीं कैंसिल करो फर्स्ट सेकंड पर. Next question number 4. is equal to 4 for a symmetrical binomial distribution, then find P of 4. Underline symmetrical binomial distribution. And the value of P and Q 1/2 both are equal. N is given 4 and 4. P 1/2. Q is also 1/2. Make it binomial, symmetric binomial distribution. What's Q? P of 4 find out. So taking x is equal to 4. Write the formula. P of x is equal to NCX into P raised to x into Q raised to n minus x. So putting x is equal to 4, 4C4, 1/2 raised to 4, 1/2 raised to 4 minus 4. 4C4, answer 1. 1/2 raised to 4, 16. 1 raised to 4, 1 and 2 raised to 4, 16. 1/16. 4 minus 4, 0 raised. Answer 1. So final answer P of 4 is equal to 1/16. Write down question number 4. Next, question number 6. For a binomial distribution, if probability of success is double the probability of failure, underline probability of success is double the probability of failure. इसका मतलब P is equal to 2Q double. P is equal to 2Q and N is equal to 4. N is given 4. So success is denoted by P, failure is denoted by Q, and double success is double the probability of failure. 2Q double multiplied by 2. Then find the variance of the distribution. Variance NPQ find out. Here P is equal to 2Q. Value of Q is equal to 1 minus P. So multiply next step. P is equal to 2 1s are 2. 2 into P minus 2P left hand side transfer plus positive P plus 2P is equal to 2. 3P is equal to 2. 3 multiplication right hand side denominator. So value of P 2 by 3. N is given. Find the NPQ. So P मिल गया. Q find out करेंगे पहले. Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 2 upon 3. Q is equal to 1 upon 3. Next find out variance NPQ. And given in question 4 value of P 2 by 3 and Q 1 by 3. Final answer 8 upon 9. Write down value of NP cube 8 upon 9. Okay, next question number 7. Find the standard deviation. Underline standard deviation. Find out of the binomial distribution having n is equal to 8. N is given 8, and the probability of failure 2 by 3. Q is equal to 2 by 3. N is given 8 and value of Q 2 by 3. P is equal to, first of all find out 1 minus Q, 1 minus 2 upon 3. So value of P 1 upon 3 and P and Q, all three values. Find the standard deviation. The standard deviation is equal to in root NP Q. In root value of 10, value of P and value of Q 2 by 3. The next step, 8 into 1 into 2, 3 into 3, so 16 upon 3 out of root 4 by 3 or 1.33. Standard deviation for the binomial distribution is 4 upon 3. Write down. Okay, next question number 8. Find parameters of binomial distribution. Find parameters. It means n and p find out, where mean is equal to 4 and variance is equal to 2. Mean np is given 4 and variance npq is equal to 2. Find the parameters n and p. The formula q is equal to variance upon mean. Value of variance is 2 and mean is 4. 2 upon 4, q is equal to 0.5. P find out 1 minus q, 1 minus 0.5, probability of success is 0.5. Next, find out value of n, mean. np is given 4. np is equal to 4. Value of p 0.5. n is equal to 4 upon 0.5 multiplication of both side denominator. Therefore, n is equal to 8. Number of Bernoulli trials in given distribution is 8. Write down. मानस में जाइए जी. Question number 9. For a binomial distribution with n is equal to 10, the number of Bernoulli trial is given. N is equal to 10. Next, and q minus p is equal to 0.6 is given. Q minus p, failure and success, difference is given 0.6. Find the mean of distribution and p find out. Okay, Q is equal to 1 minus P and P is equal to 1 minus Q. अब दोनों में से कोई एक की वैल्यू राइट कर सकते हैं. Q minus P is equal to 0.6. यदि हमने P की वैल्यू राइट की 1 minus Q तो हमें क्या फाइंड होगा? Q. हमें मीन के लिए किसकी जरूरत है? P की. तो डायरेक्ट P की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. तो हियर पुटिंग Q is equal to 1 minus P. तो Q की प्लेस पे राइट कर रहे हैं 1 minus P. नेक्स्ट minus P as it is equal to 0.6. minus P 1 minus 2P. Coefficient 1 plus 1 2. So minus 2P. 0.6 positive, opposite side negative. Minus 2P negative, opposite side positive. So side change. 1 minus 0.6 is equal to 2P. Therefore 2P is equal to 0.4. 1 minus 0.6 0.4. 2 multiplication. Right hand side denominator. 0.4 upon 2. Answer. Value of P is equal to 0.2. NP find out mean. Mean is equal to NP. Value of N is 10 and value of P is 0.2. Answer mean is equal to 2. Write down. Question number 9. The last question number 10. For a binomial distribution, standard deviation is 0.8. Standard deviation, it means under root NPQ is given 0.8. So variance 0.64 out of root NPQ. Variance is equal to 0.64. And probability of failure is 2 by 3. Q is given 2 by 3. So P find out 1 by 3. Find the mean of this distribution. Multiply n into P. So first of all, तो variance हम find करेंगे standard deviation के उसमें से n find out. Root NPQ is given 0.8 and probability of failure 2 by 3. So first of all find out value of P. 1 minus Q. 1 minus 2 upon 3. Answer is 1 upon 3. Under root NPQ standard division. NPQ 0.8. ये आपको रूट कट करना होगा ऑपोजिट साइड क्या करना पड़ता है होल स्क्वायर. NPQ is equal to 0.8 whole square. Value of NPQ variance is 0.64. Value of Q divided 2 by 3 and P हमने find की 1 upon 3. N in bracket 1 upon 3 into another bracket 2 upon 3 is equal to 0.64. N in bracket 2 into 1 2 3 into 3 9 is equal to 0.64. Next step, opposite side value inverse. 0.64 multiplied by 9 upon 2. Value of n 2.88. Check it. पूरे चैप्टर में फर्स्ट टाइम नंबर ऑफ बर्नौली ट्रायल्स का आंसर क्या आया डेसिमल 2.88. आपको क्या बोला है फाइंड करने के लिए मीन. मीन मींस n into p. वैल्यू ऑफ मीन इज इक्वल टू n into p. वैल्यू ऑफ n 2.88 into value of p 1 upon 3. So answer 0.96. 96 से आएगा इसमें. Check it. 2.88 upon 3. The final answer 0.96.